You ever look at a millionaire and think, how? Like seriously, how? Did they drink some secret rich people tea? Did Jeff Bezos whisper stock tips into their ear while they slept? Well, I've got news for you. Most of them didn't inherit mansions or discover Bitcoin in 2011. They just picked up some ridiculously effective habits. And today, I'm giving you those habits, without charging $997 for a course. You're welcome. Here's the kicker. Over 80% of millionaires are self-made. That means they built their wealth the old-fashioned way, by developing habits that don't involve binge-watching Netflix or doom-scrolling TikTok. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, another hustle sermon, relax. I'm not going to tell you to wake up at 4 a.m. and ice bathe your face. This is the good stuff, the real stuff. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Which is cute until you realize your closest friend thinks investing means buying 3 for $10 candles during a sale. Millionaires surround themselves with people who push them, inspire them, and don't just text "we outside" every weekend. Choose people whose ambitions scare you a little. That's how you grow. Growth isn't cozy. It's not Netflix and snacks. It's launching that YouTube channel, hearing your first hate comment, and still uploading a second video because you understand that discomfort is the playground of the rich. Millionaires aren't fearless. They're just really good at ignoring the voice that says, "This is cringe. Embrace the cringe. That's where the money lives." FOMO is the fastest way to stay broke and burnt out. That crypto coin that was 100% going to the moon just cost you your emergency fund and your dignity. Millionaires don't chase everything. They focus. They let the party happen without them because they're building something bigger. Purpose over parties, every time. Picture success like a pyramid. Wide at the bottom with everybody climbing. But the higher you go, the thinner it gets. Why? Because most people give up when it gets hard. You've got to be okay with being the only one grinding when everyone else is Netflixing and chilling. Thin air, yes, but the view, well worth it. You know that friend who complains constantly but never changes anything? If you don't know one, you might be that friend. Millionaires aren't allergic to problems. They just don't live in them. They're solution junkies. See problem, fix problem, move on. Less drama, more solutions, more money. This might sound weird, but one of the most powerful habits? Thinking. Like actual no phone, no scroll, no let me just check one email thinking. Bill Gates takes Think Weeks. You can start with Think Tuesdays or Reflect Fridays, or just 30 minutes of you and your brain not arguing over Uber Eats. That space? That's where clarity and million-dollar ideas are born. Look, this isn't just about money. These habits will make your whole life glow up. More peace, more purpose, less chaos. And yes, eventually more commas in your bank account. You don't have to do everything at once. But pick one habit, start today, and watch how your life starts shifting from A to damn, who is this person? If you learned something today, hit that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe for more content on building your best life, one habit at a time. And drop a comment. Which habit are you stealing first? Remember, consistency is greater than perfection. You don't need to be a millionaire to think like one, but thinking like one, that's the first step to becoming one. Catch you in the next one.